Hello! In today's tutorial you'll see how to make a paracord bracelet to strand round braid with a diamond stop knot and a microcord stitching. Enjoy and have fun! Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. For today's project we're gonna use this blue paracord for our bracelet core and the red and blue paracord for the weaving parts, also the gold microcord for the stitching. But before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner, information cards, also down below in the description of this video, and there you can find the tutorial for this awesome paracord cross necklace. So don't forget to check the information cards and the description box down below. So as you can see, we placed our paracord core on the jig, and before we start we need to gut our paracord. So take the strands and cut off the ends, and then we're gonna pull out the inner strands or inner cords as you wish and melt down the outer shell. So take the inner cords out. We gutted our paracord and we're gonna pull it by the ends to find the center, and from here, from the center, we're gonna simply place it under the core strands and then from the middle to the top, like so. Now I'm gonna take the red gutted paracord and also find the center, and now we're gonna cross it. Here we're gonna place it from the top into the middle and to the side, like so. And as you can see, we have crossed our cords. Now we're gonna start with our knots or weaves as you wish. So we're gonna take our right side blue and make it under the core strands, so under the red and under the core strands. From the left side we're gonna pass it through the middle between blue and the red, like so, and then we're gonna return it on top of the bracelet core and working end, and we're gonna tie it. From here we're gonna take our left blue, pass it again under the core strand and between the red and the blue, on top and to the side. As simple as that. Now we're gonna take the right side red, our top working end, we're gonna pass it under the core strands to the left, and from the left side between the red and the blue on the left, in the middle, and on top of the core strands. Now we're gonna take the left side red under the core strands between the blue and the red, and then on top of the core and the working ends. Pull it a bit to the top, tie it, and proceed. Again, the right side blue under the core strands, between the red and the blue on the left, around, on top of the core strands and the working ends. But here you need to pay attention. I got the twinkled cord twisted a bit, so you need to untangle it like this and proceed. By doing this, we created the round braid. So the left side blue under, between the two core strands or two strands on the right side, and to the left. Now with the red on the right, under, between the red and the blue, around and through. So now when we finished our bracelet, we're gonna use our microcord to do the stitching. So take your feed and from the top side, from the loop side here, take the feed and pass it under this strand here and through. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see. And we're gonna place it on top of this strand and then under this one here. And we're gonna follow this strand all the way. So here we are, our Paracord project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. If you have any questions, suggestions or anything else considered the Paracord or this project, you can leave us a comment and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!